Okay, Afsheen, do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Afsheen, what were we doing in the last class?
Ma'am, we were proving isosceles triangles. The sides are equal in an isosceles triangle.
Yeah, so we were studying the chapter triangles, and in that chapter, we have started with the properties of the isosceles triangle. So, can you just quickly just tell me that what is the property of the isosceles triangle?
The property of an isosceles triangle is that when two sides are equal, the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal.
Okay, and what is the converse of this theorem?
When two angles of a triangle are equal, then its opposite sides are also equal.
Okay, so Afsheen, do you see my screen?
Ma'am, it's still loading. Yeah, I can see it now.
1 minute. So, we have done till this question. Just give me a minute. This is okay. Now we'll start with the Afshin, please put on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please look on the board. I'll give you the next question. Okay. Okay. One more thing, Afshin. I must have given you the assignment for the previous class. Have you done that assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts in that? Do you want to discuss that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I gave you the question from the one of the question that we did in the class itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have the next question. You have a triangle ABC in which AD is the perpendicular bisector. What is the meaning of perpendicular bisector?
It bisects the triangle and also is 90 degrees.
Okay, very good. So basically, when a line bisects anything at 90 degrees, it is known as a perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals BC. No, I'm sorry, AB equals AC. Fine. And the figure is this ABC. This is the triangle ABC, an isosceles triangle. And then you have a perpendicular line AD, which is bisecting BC. So AD's perpendicular bisector show the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. Okay, so you just have to, what is to prove over here? What is given first of all?
AD is perpendicular to BC.
Given is AD perpendicular bisector of BC. Anything else? No. Then next
No.
is what you have to prove. So you'll write to
AB
prove
is
is AB is equal to BAC. This is to prove. Now you'll do the proof over here. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Please try this question, then we'll discuss it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Afsheen. Have you done?
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Also, Afsheen, your voice is like too low. You can either connect earphones or headphones so that I'm able to hear you properly.
Uh, Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I do hear you, but your voice is low.
Ma'am, I am connected to earphones, but I'm not sure why it's not loud. Um,
Okay. Okay, anyway, so over here we have, let's discuss the question. So first of all, in this particular question, how can you prove that AB is equal to AC? It is very simple. If you prove the triangle ABC in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay, if we prove these triangles congruent, so what will we have?
we have
AB is,
80 common.
yeah, we have AD is equals to DA, which is common in both the triangles. Next,
ADB, angle ADB and angle ADC are equal because they're both 90 degrees.
okay, next,
And angle BAD and angle DAC are equal.
angle BAD, this angle
Yes, ma'am.
is equal to this angle. Okay, how come I've seen these two angles are equal?
Ma'am, since AD is the perpendicular bisector, can it divide the angle into two equal parts?
No, it's given that AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. It is not given that AD is the bisector of angle A. Fine. See, I'll give
Yes,
you
ma'am.
one example. Uh, for example, this is my triangle. Okay. So I say that this is A, B, and C. So this is angle A. Now, if I draw a perpendicular line from here, this line falls perpendicularly, but it is not the, see, this angle is smaller and this angle is bigger. It is not the bisector of the angles from which it is falling. Similarly, I can have one more example. I can say that there is a line which is like median. What is median? Median is like dividing into two. So I say the AD is the median. So if AD is the median, it is dividing BD and DC into equal parts. Okay, but again, these angles may not be equal. So we consider only what is given in the question. In the question, it is not given that angle A is being bisected. It is given that BC is being bisected. So there is only one thing given in the question. You cannot assume the other thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
So, ma'am, since it bisects BC, can BD be equal to DC?
Yeah, very good. You can say that BD is equal to DC. Why? Because it is given in the question.
Yes,
Fine. So you
yes, ma'am.
have, which property are we using now?
Side angle side.
Yeah, which is SAS congruency. So you can write that by SAS congruency, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Fine. And hence
Yes,
AB is equals to AC by CPCT. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So next question we have, you have a triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes VE and CF. Okay, Afsheen, what is the meaning of altitude?
Ma'am, is it the height from the base?
Okay, it is the height. So basically, what denotes a height? What kind of line can we say that is a height?
Uh,
Can any like I have this figure. Okay. So if I draw any line like this I can draw. I have to see the height from here. So can this be called as the height?
uh, no, ma'am. Should it be perpendicular?
Yeah, very good. A perpendicular line is known as an which denotes the height of anything is known as a altitude. Okay. So you should remember only a perpendicular line. What is a median? What is the difference between altitude and median?
A median, is it a line that connects any 2 points in the triangle?
No, median is like I have this triangle. Okay, an asymmetrical triangle. So if I have to divide any one side, like it has three vertices. If I have to divide any of its side into two equal halves, like I choose this line. So the equal halves will be somewhere over here. This will be the point. So I will join this from the opposite vertex. So opposite vertex is this. So if I join this particular line is known as median. And this is the median. And what is the altitude? The altitude will be the height. So height is perpendicular line. So this perpendicular line will be known as altitude. So this is altitude and this is median. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
please remember this difference. It is important, basic but important. Okay, so are drawn equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. Okay, so we have ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn equal are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively, show that these altitudes are equal. So ABC is an isosceles triangle, so let's draw an isosceles triangle. You have A, B, and C. What are the names of the medians? One of the median is DE and other is CF. So median. Now median means dividing into, now here these two lines are equal and we are dividing it into two equal halves. I'm sorry, we are drawing the altitudes of these. So we have one over here, this is BE, and the other over here, which is CF. Fine. So altitudes means 90 degrees. Remember that altitudes may or may not cut into equal halves. It can, like if it is the perpendicular bisector. So it can cut into equal halves as well. Fine.
Okay.
But
Okay.
it is not fixed that an altitude will cut into equal parts. The fixed thing is that it will be 90 degrees. But it may also cut.
Okay.
Remember this thing. Equal size AC and AB respectively show that these altitudes are equal. So what is given in the question?
Uh,
Given is
there.
AB is equal to AC. Why? Because it is an isosceles triangle. Then given is angle F is equals to angle E is equals to 90 degree. Okay, then it is, okay, these things are given. What you have to prove? You have to prove that BE is equal to CF. Okay, can you do the proof? Do you have any approach for this?
Yes.
Okay, try solving it.
Okay. Ma'am, I finished this question.
Okay, let's discuss. Tell me, Afsheen, how have you solved it?
Ma'am, in triangle AFB and AEC,
So
uh,
you've taken triangle AF.
B.
AFB is a line.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. AEB
Okay. And
and AFC.
okay, so you have taken basically this triangle and this triangle. Okay. Yeah. So
Yes.
tell me.
So angle A, no, sorry, angle F is equal to angle E because they're both 90
Okay.
degrees.
Fine.
And
Please name the proper angle, not just angle F. It's
uh, AFC and AEB, angle AFC and angle.
okay.
And common angle A for both triangles.
Okay.
And ma'am,
Nice.
for angle ABF, can I add
Yeah.
the common triangle like B? Can I add B, the common triangle for both sides, for both triangles? Like,
So I'm not able to understand. What are you saying, Afsheen?
ma'am, since this is an isosceles triangle, will angle ABC be equal to angle ACB?
Okay. So this whole is equal to
So
this whole.
yes, ma'am. So I took the midpoint as O. So can I add OBC with angle AF, sorry, ABE and
Okay.
OCB with angle ACF?
Okay. Then
So
what?
it gives me angle ACF is equal to ABE.
No, Afsheen. Okay. So you are what you're trying to say is we have look here. You're trying to say that we have angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, right? And now you
Yes,
want this particular angle and this particular angle to be equal, right? So you're saying that if you remove this part and this part from both of these, so will they be equal? This is what you're trying to say?
yes, ma'am.
But see, Afshin, for them to be equal, so like this part should be equal to this part, right? Because like if you're
Yes, ma'am.
subtracting equals from equals, then only the thing will remain equal. Yeah,
Uh,
like you have 5 is equal to 5. So if you have to subtract 3 on both the sides to make the answer also equal,
yes, ma'am.
yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Say,
Uh,
but here, like this particular angle right here is not equal to this. Oops, I'm sorry. This particular angle is not equal to this angle. It is not given anywhere in the question. See, can you not say that this line is equal to this line? AB is equal to AC. It is even given in the question.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What
your voice
quantity
is
do we
getting
have?
stuck.
We have right angle, hypotenuse, and side. You have the hypotenuse, you have the right angle, you have the side. So by RHS, you can say that these are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Afsheen, am I audible?
Ma'am, your video and voice both are lagging. Uh,
Afsheen, am I audible to you?
yes, ma'am. Now you are.
Just 1 minute. Okay. Um, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry, there's little connectivity issue from my end only. So basically what I'm trying to say is it is already given in the question that AB is equal to AC. Why? Since it is an isosceles triangle. So you see that you can say that AB is equals to AC in both of these triangles, and then by RHS
Yes.
congruency, the given triangles. What triangle you took? Triangle AAB is congruent to triangle AFC. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. You can say this.
Yes.
And hence by RHS, I'm sorry, by CPCT, you have BE is equals to CF. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope this question is clear to you. Please mark it as
Yes.
important. It's a very good question. Okay. Yeah, now we'll move further. You have another question. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB, are equal. Show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. AB is equals to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, this is the question. I hope that you understood the question. Saying that you have
Yes,
a
ma'am.
triangle ABC where again you have that it's the figure will be similar to the previous question only. Whether you have the altitudes B and CF to the size AC and AB. And now here it is already given that the altitudes like BE is equal to CF is already given in the question. What you have to show is that triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACF angle second. I hope that you will be able to do this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please do it.
Ma'am, I finished this question.
Yes, Afsheen, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I finished this question.
Okay, let's discuss. So the figure shall remain same as the previous question only. Right, you have a triangle. A, B, and C. Then you have an altitude over here, and you have the next altitude over here, B, E, and C, F. Okay, what is given in the question? That angle E is equals to angle F is equals to 90 degree, and BE is equals to CF. And what it is? You have to show the triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Okay. So what will be the proof?
Yes. Ma'am, in triangle ABE and AFC, we have BE is equal to CF, which is given.
Okay.
And then common angle A for both triangles.
Okay.
And angle AFC is equal to angle AEB, which is given.
Okay. What congruency are we using?
Angle side angle.
No. Look at this particular triangle. What is the congruency?
Angle side.
Yeah. You have an angle, again an angle, a side. Here also an angle, again an angle, and a side. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have by A AS triangle ABE is congruent to triangle AC. Okay, so this is the first point of the question. What is the second point of the question?
AB is equal to AC by CPCT.
Okay, so AB is equals to AC by CPCT, and hence triangle ABC is congruent. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that you understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have one last question. You have a figure. This is A, B, C, and D. It is given in the question that AB is equals to AC and BD is equals to CD. So ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles. So if these are isosceles, that means this. Now you have to show that angle ABD, like this whole angle is equal to this whole angle. You understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please do it.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm done with this question.
Okay, let's discuss. First of all, what is given in the question? Given is that AB is equals to AC, BD is equals to CD, and okay, that's it. To prove this, angle B equal to angle C. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can we draw a construction, like a line from A to D?
Yeah, okay, good.
So then side AB is equal to side AC,
Okay.
and side BD is also equal to side
Yeah, so what you
CD.
do is, yes, okay.
And common side AD for both.
Yeah. So what we have is, so we can prove this triangle and this whole triangle, like this whole triangle and this whole triangle congruent by the SSS congruency. Okay, side, and thus we will have angle B is equals to angle C. So it's a very simple question. You just have to draw one construction, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that everything taught today was clear to you, Afsheen. Do you have any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Any doubts? No doubts?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good. So now we'll continue in the next class. Do you wish to say anything or ask anything?
No, ma'am.